In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a mind map in Chrome. To get started, open your board in the Chrome browser. Make sure the board is fully loaded before you begin so that all the tools are available and responsive. Working in Chrome is helpful because it generally offers smooth performance and good compatibility with board-based apps, especially when you're building visual layouts like mind maps. Once your board is open, go to the toolbar and select the mind map option. This will activate the mind mapping tool and let you begin creating your structure. Start by entering your main topic. Think of this as the central idea of your entire map. It should be short, clear, and easy to understand at a glance, because every branch you create from this point will connect back to it. Taking a moment to label the main topic properly can make the whole map easier to organize later. After that, you can quickly build out your ideas using keyboard shortcuts. To create child nodes automatically, press the Tab key. This is useful when you want to add supporting points underneath the main topic or under any existing branch. It helps you move from broad ideas into more detailed subtopics in a very natural way. If you want to create sibling nodes instead, press Enter. Sibling nodes are perfect when you need to add ideas at the same level, keeping your structure balanced and easy to follow. Using Tab and Enter together can really speed up the process, especially when you're mapping out a lot of information. As your map grows, begin customizing the look of it so it becomes more visually clear and engaging. Change the color palette to separate sections or highlight important categories. Different colors can make information easier to scan and can also help viewers or team members understand relationships between ideas more quickly. Then adjust the line curves to change how the branches connect across the layout. This can make the map feel cleaner, more polished, and better suited to your personal style or presentation needs. As you customize the design, try to keep readability in mind. A visually appealing map is great, but the best layout is one that helps ideas stand out without feeling cluttered. With your main topic in place, your child and sibling nodes added efficiently, and your colors and curves adjusted, you'll have a mind map that is both functional and easy to present.